Welcome to BioVital.
So hello guys, here we are. We have to solve few PYQs of circulatory system. These are the most important questions that came almost every year because as we know that NEET repeats the concept. So we have to solve few questions here. We'll be starting from the first maximum surface area of circulatory system. So this answer should come as it is, as while reading the question the answer is capillaries, because we know that the maximum surface area cover is covered by the minute blood vessels, and it is the capillaries, which is the answer. Okay, the next question, largest number of white blood corpuscles. It is neutrophils. They cover almost 60 to 65% of white blood cells. Okay, next question, hemoglobin of human fetus. So we have to learn this question as it is because this came in 2008 and its answer is B. It the answer has the higher affinity of oxygen than in adult, means the babies have higher affinities of oxygen as compared to an adult. Okay, the next question, find the matching pair. So we have to do the hit and trial. We have to start from the options. Okay, the first option is lub sharp closure of AV valves at the beginning of ventricular systole. So this is the correct answer, that lub sound is produced by AV valves at the closure of AV valves. Okay, we'll come to the next question. Artificial pacemaker is implemented subcutaneously for correcting. So this is the D option, which is correct because we all know that this pacemaker, it maintains the rhythm of the heart. So when it is not working properly, we have to implement a artificial pacemaker to maintain the rhythm. So this is actually the for the rhythm problem, and we all know that it is the SA node which is responsible for our producing the rhythm. Okay, the next question, the limb differs from the blood in having. Okay, so we all know that limb differs from the blood in having no RBC and less WBC. So the answer, correct answer should be C. Yeah. Okay, so we'll go to the next question. Okay, we have the next question. What is correct about ECG? So in our course, we all know that this is the form of ECG. We have first the P complex, which symbolizes the depolarization of atria, and then we have the QRS complex, which symbolizes the depolarization of ventricles, and then we have the T wave, that this symbolizes the repolarization of ventricles, means the ventricular diastole. So what is in our question? P, depolarization of atria, this is correct. Okay, R, Q, R, S, R, repolarization of ventricles, this is wrong. T, start of systole, this is wrong. And T, end of diastole, this is also wrong. So the correct answer is A. Okay, let's come to the next questions. Globins contained in human blood plasma are primarily involved in. So this is, first is clotting of blood, second is osmotic balance of body fluids, third is defense mechanism. So the answer is C. Okay, the next question, blood groups allugate allugitinogen is This is option B, glycoprotein, which is, it elongates the glycoprotein blood. Glycoproteins are present in blood groups. Okay, mature erythrocyte cannot utilize glucose because it lacks enzymes. So this is in NCRT. The answer is enzymes. Okay, the next question. In order for the blood to flow from right ventricle to left ventricle in mammalian heart, it must flow through A. Right ventricle, pulmonary arteries, lungs, pulmonary veins, left atrium. So this answer is correct. Option A. It from right ventricles it went to pulmonary arteries where it is carried to lungs. It gets oxygenated, then the oxygenated blood comes from pulmonary veins, and then it comes to left atrium, and from there it goes from to all parts of the body. So answer A is correct. Okay, next question. Which one takes part in blood clotting? Okay, so we all know that it is the thrombocytes, means the platelets, which takes place in blood circulation. They actually clot the blood. This has a very unique mechanism. I hope you would have studied it in your it is there in NCRT. Okay, the next question. The fastest distribution of some injectable materials, medicines with no risk of any kind, can be achieved by injecting it into. So the answer is vein, because we know that it has the fastest distribution. It just goes, veins have the deoxygenated blood, so it just goes in lungs and fine, it just goes to all parts of the body when it mixes with the oxygenated blood after it gets pumped to the heart and lungs. Okay, the next question given below are the four statements A to D regarding human blood circulatory system. Find the correct one. Okay, we'll be starting from options. Option A, arteries are thick walled and have more narrow lumen as compared to veins. Okay, so next, angina is acute chest pain when the blood circulation to brain is reduced. Okay, so this is not the correct answer. It is acute pain, but the reason is not correct. Okay, A is correct, although it arteries are thick walled and have narrow lumen. Okay, the third, the persons with blood group AB can donate blood to any person with any blood group under ABO blood grouping. So this is not the correct answer. It is the O blood group who are universal donor. They are AB are actually universal receptors. Okay, the next question. Calcium ion plays an important role in the blood clotting. So this is the correct answer. They actually play a very important role. So answer would be B, A and D. Okay, the next question.
So, this was all for today. Hope you liked the session. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe. And yeah, do practice more and more question and boost your performance. All the best. Stay tuned. Thank you.